Hi everyone, welcome to DD classes. In last video we have discussed about the factors affecting the price elasticity of supply for class 11. Today we are going to learn change in quantity supplied and change in supply. First, change in quantity supplied or movement along the supply curve. So here when quantity supplied of the commodity changes due to change in its own price. So assuming the other things being equal, it is known as a change in quantity supplied. So it is represented by the movement along the same supply curve. So under this two types, one is extension of supply and one is a contraction of supply. Extension of supply. So when other things being equal, quantity supplied of commodity raises due to rise in its price. So it is termed as a extension of supply. For example, supply of sugar raises due to rise in its price. Other things being equal. Suppose if you take an example of price of the sugar is 4. So the quantity is at 20. Suppose it's increasing as a 8 means the quantity is a 40. So here 4 to 8 per unit quantity supplied rises from 20 units to 40 units. So it is shown by the movement from the lower point to the upper point of the same supply curve. So this is called as an extension of supply. The next one is contraction of supply. When other things being equal, quantity supplied of commodity falls due to falls in its price. That is termed as a contraction of supply. In extension of supply, commodity rises due to rise in its price. Here the supply of commodity falls due to fall in its price. It is termed as a contraction of supply. For example, supply of sugar falls due to fall in its price. Other things being equal. The same sugar we took here also. The price is 8 means the quantity is 40. The price is 4 means the quantity is 20. So here the price falls from rupees 8 to rupees 4 per unit. Quantity supplied falls from 40 units to 20 units. So here it shows the movement from the upper point to the lower point but on the same supply curve. So this is a change in quantity supplied. The next one is change in supply, that is shift of supply curve. When supply of commodity changes due to change in other factors than price of the commodity. In change in quantity supplied, it is change in its own price. But here, it is other factors than price of the commodity. So it is known as a change in supply. For example, change in supply of commodity due to change in technology or price of input. But in change in quantity supplied, only changes happened in its own price. Here, change in technology or price of inputs. So under this, two types are there. One is increase in supply and one more is a decrease in supply. First, you will take the increase in supply. So when supply of commodity rises due to change in other factors than price of the commodity, it is termed as an increase in supply. Example, if increase in supply of LG or TV sets due to the improvement in technology, so a fall in price of the inputs. So these are the example for increase in supply. So here the price is 10 means the quantity is 4 and the price is 10 means the quantity is also 8. So the supplier supplies more units at the same price. More units at the same price. So it is due to change in other factors than price of the commodity. Here it shows the rightward shift of the supply curve in the diagram. The next one is a decrease in supply. When supply of commodity falls due to change in other factors than price of the commodity. So here it is termed as a decrease in supply. For example, decrease in supply of LG TV sets due to declining in technology and increase in price of inputs. So here the price is 10 and the quantity is 8. The same price is 10 and the quantity is 4. So the supplier supplies less at the same price. It is due to change in the other factors than price of the commodity. So in this diagram it shows the leftward shift of the supply curve. I hope you are all understands the change in quantity supplied and change in supply. Now it is your turn. In case of dash in supply, supply of the good rises at the same price. The answer is increases. Thank you.